Foundry.
So here's the thing that blew my mind this week. You can build your own complete language learning suite. I'm talking flashcards with spaced repetition, AI conversation partner, grammar drills, pronunciation tools, the whole deal, and you never write a single line of code.
Wait, hold on, never, like zero code.
Zero? There's this open source framework called Agent Zero. It's basically an AI that can execute code, browse the web, create files, schedule tasks, all from plain English instructions.
Okay, but why would I do that instead of just using Duolingo or Babbel? Those apps are polished, they're convenient.
Here's the problem though, they're one size fits all. You're stuck on their track, their pace, their vocabulary, and you're paying what, 10 to 20 bucks a month forever, plus all your progress lives on their servers.
That's true, but building something custom sounds like a massive project. Who has time for that?
That's the wild part. Agent Zero does the building. You just describe what you want. Like literally, tell it to create a Spanish vocabulary deck with 50 food words, each with translations and example sentences, and it generates a JSON file. Tell it to build a spaced repetition flashcard engine using the SM2 algorithm, and it writes the Python script.
The SM2 algorithm. That's the same one Anki uses.
Exactly, and you can add an AI conversation partner that role-plays scenarios, a grammar exercise generator that targets your weak spots, a writing checker that corrects and explains your mistakes.
Okay, but does this actually work? Like, can it handle the complexity?
The guide lays out 8 complete modules with step-by-step prompts. Each one creates scripts that save your progress, track your performance, and adapt over time. There's even a dashboard that aggregates everything so you can see your streaks, your weak areas, your estimated proficiency level.
And the cost?
Agent Zero is free and open source. You just need an API key for whatever language model you're using. We're talking a few dollars a month for moderate use. Compare that to years of subscription fees.
So I could build something that covers exactly what I need for the language I'm learning, at my level with my interests, and it's all mine.
And it grows with you. When you level up from A2 to B1, you just tell it to adjust.
Honestly, that's genuinely compelling. The personalization piece alone solves my biggest frustration with apps.
Right, you're not renting someone else's curriculum anymore. You're building your own.
I'm actually kind of excited to try this.
That's the right reaction.